Tulsa looking for its second win of the season and their first since week one. Locomotive looking for their very first 3 points of the 2024 season.
A power shot.
Rivas trying to curl one through. Not a lot of power, and an easy save in the end for Michael Creek.
A good sprint. So the cross no good, but the decision he made is good.
Nevárez, nice delay.
I'm thinking that nobody hope the pass come from Alfaro, no?
Right? But Dylan did well to run underneath it. It looked like it was going to go over the byline.
Yes.
For
good combination from both. For the pass and from Dylan is the run.
The second man in. That is a great save by Waite. Has to sprawl out to make the stop, but does and controls. As both of these teams looking for a breakthrough. But that chance to Diallo, to me, was maybe the best scoring opportunity for either team in that first half.
In the first half, yes, I agree.
In swinging ball, headed out by Dylan. Sidestepping, trying to find some room. Nevárez is there to win it away.
He's there.
Laszo. What a find. 23 years old from Ciudad Juárez.
Young player.
Young player. It's amazing to me that that was his first professional goal.
Yeah. That's because he's playing like a defender, no?
Good work again, challenging through and in. Just catching a piece was Diallo. That's all he needed. Pretty much off the ankle and to the far post. And on the counter, the beautiful cross. Diallo makes it 1-0 Tulsa. FC Tulsa with the lead in the 53rd minute. Just a beautiful bit of counter-attacking soccer. Nevárez this time goes for goal, and it's punched over. Creek has to make the stop. Cuts Nevárez loose. Calvillo has a go. That's a stinging shot, but Creek is on it.
Good shot. As I say, Stan.
Dollenmeyer?
Yes, Noah, they when is defending? You have 2 men or 3 men for one.
Interesting. Just trying to get the numbers up.
Yes.
We'll see how it goes as Locomotive. Here is Portillo. The low cross, and that one I don't think is where Portillo wanted to send it, but he'll get another chance. Nevárez put it over the byline. Sixth corner of the night for FC Tulsa. To the far post they go. Headed back in, and Dollenmeyer with the goal line clearance. Not out of danger yet. Whipped into the box, and Nevárez will get it up and out. They got it right to Bourgeois, who was ready. The turnover is going to give it back to Tulsa. Danger not cleared. That is onside. Suwahi. Look at the replay here. Down in the bottom corner, Noah Dollenmeyer. That was perfect.
Yes.
Saving a short. Portillo headed back in. Alfaro clears the danger off the foot of Suwahi. Laszo. Way to run it down. Dalu. Laszo. Long cross. Looking the header. Grabbed by Waite. That was well done. Bourgeois. The perfect header, and Waite trying to catch him on the counter. But Laszo there to intercept it off the foot of Moshabani.
on the first half. So now he can't run so much because sometimes he's tired.
Sure.
Yeah.
Oh, good bounce here. Winning that is Goodrum. Goodrum over to the right side. Pacheco fires it over the bar. Moshabani. Far post and knotted out of trouble, but straight to Stauffer. Rather, Rodriguez. Moshabani again. Rose. Everyone forward, Rodriguez. Moshabani wanted to have a go. Into the middle. Garay will go back. Locomotive. The 7 minutes is up. We play on. And that is it. The end of the game. FC Tulsa has come to El Paso. The 53rd minute goal. Brian Clairhout upset at the end.